Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today learn a inner part of ball bearing part 2. This is a final product of ball bearing and I select and today drawing a inner part of ball bearing, and this 2D drawing, front view and side view. This is isometric view, or this is a inner part of ball bearing. Then I select here. Okay, at first drawing a front plane and select a center point and drawing a center point, and second step is center rectangle, or drawing a center rectangle, and this 2D drawing at first is 33 mm, all dimension is mm, 33 mm, and inner distance is 25 radius and outer distance is 37. Okay, and this distance is 31. Okay, and this inner distance is 25 mm and this outer distance is 37 mm. Okay, all dimension is select here, and all dimension is millimeter, gram second, mm, all dimension is mm. Okay, 25 and 37, and this distance is 31, and okay, I select a center rectangle, this midpoint and this center point. Okay, and this plane is vertical. Okay, or draw a center point. Okay, draw a center point arc, and this center point is, click here and draw a center point arc. Okay, and mention dimension. Dimension is this point, and this line is distance between 8 mm, and this radius is 12 mm. Okay, and some trim is used, this point is remove here, and this distance and this distance is equal, and this distance select and control, press control, and this distance is select, then all is relation add C here and equal. Okay, control press already compulsory. Okay, this distance or this distance is equal, and this is 12 mm and this is 8 mm, all dimension is correct, and I select feature. Okay, and revolve boss base and select this center line. Okay, and click here. Okay, plane white, this is white plane, and the cartoon is apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so all dimension, this product, final product is ready, and second part is inner part of ball bearing is ready, and the next part is case of ball bearing and ball, and next part is assemble of all ball bearing. Then today this video is perfect. Okay, okay guys, thank you.